Hey everyone, and welcome to our morning math. We are on number 94. Take out a piece of paper and a pencil to get started. We're going to be starting by putting our name in the box here on the form, and then let's take a look. We have mixed facts, which are addition and subtraction. Be very careful as we look at these to make sure you're doing the correct operation. Then we have subtraction, complete the table, fractions, place value, and a challenge problem. Starting off, 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, I like to think of it as 6 plus 6 plus 1, which is 13. 14 minus 6, in my brain, I already remember, that's 8. 12 minus 5, 7. 8 plus 9, 17. I'm going to delete the notes, make sure that you pause the video if you need them. Now we have 18 minus 9. 7 plus 7. 6 plus 8. 13 minus 8. Which brings us to our subtraction problem for today. Our subtraction problem today gives us a little bit of a challenge because we have to borrow from the 7, which is all the way over in the thousands position. So we cannot take 5 from 3, so we have to borrow. The 7 becomes 6. The 6 then changes this 0 to a 10, but then that has to go away to make that a 9, so this can become a 10. And then this 10 becomes a 9, so this 3 can be 13. Now you have 13 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 1, and 6 minus 0. Next, you're asked to complete the table. So for every tricycle, there's 3 wheels because it's a tricycle. Tricycles have 3 wheels. Tri means 3. So when we look at one tricycle, we have 3 wheels. If there's 2 tricycles, there's 6 wheels. If there's 3 tricycles, it's 9 wheels. If it's 4 tricycles, it's 12 wheels. If it's 5 tricycles, it's 15 wheels. So what we're doing here is we are seeing that there's a pattern: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Or for every tricycle, we multiply by 3 to make the wheels. So the missing pattern is 6, 9, 12, and 15. The pattern was to multiply tricycles by 3. Multiply by 3. So we multiplied the tricycles by 3. Moving forward, make sure if you need those notes, you pause the video. We have a fraction. Now we count the fractions. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 shaded. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of 3 are shaded, which means the whole entire block is shaded, which means 1. So we have one whole block shaded because 3 out of 3 were shaded. That brings us to place value. We're going to do some rounding. We have 255, and we're going to round it to the nearest 10. Here's the tens place. So we're going to ask the 5, are you less than 5? He says, no. So the 5 has to go to the 6. 260. Now we're going to round 255 to the nearest 100. So we underline the hundreds place. The 2 asks the 5, are you less than 5? The 5 says no. So the 2 has to go to 3. 300. Now we have 406. 406 to the nearest 10. The 10, or the 0, asks the 6, are you less than 5? 6 says no. So the 0 changes to a 1. 410. If you need the notes, pause the video. Now, we're going to do 406 to the nearest 100. The hundreds place is the 4. The 4 asks the 0, are you less than 5? Says yes, which means the 4 stays the same. 400. 527 to the nearest 10. The tens place is the 2. The 2 asks the 7, are you less than 5? 7 says no. So the 2 has to go. 530. Now finally, 527 to the nearest 100. The 5 asks the 2. The 2 says yes. So the 5 stays the same, 500. We're going to jump down to this repeated subtraction problem. So with repeated subtraction, we're going to divide. So you're just dividing 40 divided by 10. You might already know the answer, but let's just do it. So we have 40 minus 10 equals 30. 30 minus 10 equals 20. 20 minus 10 equals 10. 10 minus 10 equals 0. How many times did we subtract? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So the answer is 4. Thanks so much for working with me today. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to raise your hand or call me out on Zoom. I'll talk to you later.